Morag Smith and I work for Glasgow Women's Library. I'm the National Lifelong Learning Development Worker there. Today's the 100th anniversary of women's suffrage. Women got the vote on this day in 1918. Paisley's got loads of really interesting history there, but a lot of it, and when you look in the heritage centres and you look in the statues in the streets and everything, it's really all focused on men, and there's some amazing women in Paisley's history as well, so I think it's really good that the group are doing this. I just want to say congratulations on doing this project. It's really exciting that you're doing it, and yeah, be patient and be methodical and be thorough, and who knows what you might discover.